Hi, this is Handy TF. I used to pour the chemical down the drain whenever there is clog. Nowadays, I like to reduce chemical use in my life. This is good for myself, and also good for the environment. This bathtub uses the trip lever drain. In this video, I am going to unclog it without any chemical. Always try the easy one first. Most of time the clog is in this horizontal section. Remove the screw, and take the grate off. Use this drain clearing tool. You can get it from local hardware store for few dollars. It got quite a lot hair out on the first try. The water is moving now. It is not good idea to use plunger. It will just push all these stuff further down the drain. Eventually it will clog further down, and makes the matter worse. Do this couple of times, until this clearing tool does not get anything out. As you can see, the drain is already clear, and the water is all gone. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. This will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. If it still does not clear the drain for you, it means the clog is further down. You need to use the plumber's snake. Unscrew the overflow plate, pull out the linkage, and feed the cable into the drain. I like rest it on the opening, so it is easy on my hand while I am turning. The drain is finally all clear, and put all the covers back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.